Welcome to Classification Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am very excited to announce and share with you that this video would be probably my last video on a specific topic that we have been carrying from 2 days, that is of all over hand embroidery bunches. I would suggest that if you haven't watched my previous videos, then go and do watch them, because I have shared very amazing, specifically all our hand embroidery designs step by step in a hierarchical manner of simplicity towards complexity. And these designs are for both, that is for embroidery beginners and for embroidery professionals. As you could see that this entire video is composed of very large, fancy and heavy floral hand embroidered bunches which require much effort, much time and much smartness of hand embroidery stitches and much neatness and much grip. So I would suggest the persons who are professionals in hand embroidery or have a profession and they have a number of clients who give you requirements according to their passion, according to their likes, according to their interests, then kindly do save this video or take screenshot of your best designs and show them. They would absolutely like, and you would get a number of massive orders. And one thing, that you don't have to mess up your head with a number of confusions like which color combinations would be favorable, which embroidery stitches you are going to use, which fabric material or which color of fabric you are going to use, because from this video you can get all these confusing queries entertained, or you can get all these questions answered very simply and at a stake of one video watch only. So if you like the video, then do press the bell icon so that you could get these type of amazing, beautiful, latest and new videos on the daily basis. And if you are a non-subscriber, then firstly do subscribe our channel and then press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of our channel. And on our channel you can not only get amazing and classy ideas related to hand embroidery designs or hand embroidery stitches, but you can get different types of hand art design ideas like crochet, fabric paint, mirror work, gota work, applique designs and much more. And not only this, you can get a very wide range of classy design ideas related to women fashion, baby dress designing, footwear and handmade handbags, girls fashionable accessories. So stay tuned with us, keep watching our content, keep loving us like this, and take care of yourselves. We will soon be back with you along with some new designs, amazing collections, beautiful ideas and much more. Up till then, take care. Goodbye.